Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So, back again, back at it. What are we talking about today? We're talking about library, and holy cannolis. This thing had... What's funny is this is like a tiny blip compared to what this was worth at one point. I did a video on library to $1 a while back ago, but as you can see, we had the largest candle on the planet. It shot up, what was it, like something ridiculous. I think it almost hit 20 cents. Now, somebody said that somebody was building liquidity and wiped the order books. I'm not really sure what happened. I think there was an upbit listing, but let's talk about this. So the big thing that they're talking about is that TechCrunch and Odysee. Yeah, Odysee. Odysee is a new video site to capture some of their freedom and independence. So in essence, they are trying to get on iOS as an app. And a lot of that has to do, again, with censorship and how YouTube censors everything. And definitely very, very interesting. Now, to recapture, so this is the extension of library. Now, in my opinion, is that enough news to make this thing 3x overnight? Well, you know, the last time it mooned up, we had a very big ramping down. Now, this is a parabolic phase, so I'm going to have to say I sent some library over to Bittrex. I am going to take a little lock in some profits. Am I going to lock in all the profits? No, but I think it would be foolish not to like lock in 25% of my bag, possibly, just for a retracement, and then I can get more library. Now, I typically don't trade, I only accumulate, but I think this is actually a good accumulation trade, because if I sell now at 8 cents, you know, a part of my bag, I've locked that into USD or BTC, and then if this thing dips, I will be able to capture some of that. So as you can see, let's see on the 1334. So it has a ways to come down. It's very, very overextended, with the 34 being around 6 cents. So even if you could capture the downward trend on this, that would be 25% on the sell, and then increase in your bag of 25%. So it has the potential of 50% trade on a 25% sell. So like I said, I am going to lock in some profits because I think this is overextended. It could repump, but again, typically we always respect this 1334, and you can see how flat this was forever. However, I will say this is great news for library. It is very difficult to get alternative type apps on Apple, and we'll see how this does moving forward. Hope you liked today's video. Like, subscribe, and if you're not already, subscribe to my library channel for exclusive content. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.